Today I am reviewing Alphawolf LPad2S Android 15 tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Alphawolf LPad2S Android 15 tablet is a powerful, versatile device built to handle everything from gaming and streaming to work and productivity tasks. Out of the box, this tablet makes a strong impression with its blend of performance, display quality, and thoughtful features. It's not just a device, it's a compact powerhouse designed for both work and play. First, let's talk about performance. The Alphawolf LPad2S is powered by the Unisoc T615 octa-core processor, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This chipset delivers about 30% faster speeds compared to older models, and paired with 20 GB of RAM, 8 GB onboard plus an extra 12 GB expandable, it gives you smooth multitasking, whether you're switching between heavy apps, playing demanding games, or editing documents on the go. The tablet runs Android 15, so you're getting the latest features, enhanced security, and better app compatibility. Storage is another standout feature. With 128 GB of internal storage and support for up to 2 TB of microSD expansion, the LPad2S gives you immense capacity to store apps, games, movies, and documents. This is perfect for heavy users who don't want to constantly manage storage. Plus, it comes with GMS certification, which means you can seamlessly download apps from Google Play, including streaming apps like Netflix, social media apps, and productivity tools. Moving on to the display, the LPad2S offers a 10.1-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 800 by 1280 pixels. While it's not ultra-high resolution, it still delivers a crisp and vibrant viewing experience for everyday use. The Widevine L1 certification means you can stream HD content from services like Netflix without compromise. The 10-inch display strikes a great balance between portability and usability, making it ideal for watching videos, browsing the web, or taking notes. For connectivity, this tablet truly shines. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, Bluetooth 5.0, and comes with both a 3.5mm headphone jack and dual cameras, a 5MP front camera, and 8MP rear camera. This makes it versatile for video calls, photography, and scanning documents. There's even support for split-screen multitasking, wireless screencasting, and OEG data transfer. These features make it not just a tablet for entertainment, but also a powerful tool for productivity and creative work. Battery life is another highlight. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh lithium cobalt oxide battery, the LPad2S offers longer-lasting power compared to many tablets in its class. Whether you're working remotely, streaming your favorite shows, or gaming, you'll get hours of use before needing a recharge. And with Type-C charging, refilling the battery is fast and convenient. Design-wise, the Alphawolf LPad2S is slim, lightweight, and portable at just 0.42 kilograms, with a thickness of only 0.3 inches. That makes it easy to carry in your bag or hold for long sessions of work or entertainment. It comes with a simple, clean design that works well for both professional and personal use. One more thing, Alphawolf offers a 1-year repair and replacement warranty along with 24-hour customer service, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. It means you're not just buying a tablet, but also a reliable experience backed by support. In conclusion, the Alphawolf LPad2S Android 15 tablet is an excellent option for those looking for a feature-rich, high-performance, and versatile tablet without breaking the bank. Whether you're a gamer, a student, a professional, or someone who just enjoys streaming and browsing on the go, this tablet delivers a great balance of speed, power, and portability. It's an impressive device that offers a lot of value for its price, making it a smart choice in today's competitive tablet market.